Does your video's color look a little off? Welcome back to day 19. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Fixing strange color casts is often the first step in color correction, and Final Cut Pro has a magic button that can do it for you. Let's learn about it in under 3 minutes. Your clip may look too blue or too yellow, and you need to fix the white balance. Final Cut Pro has an automatic tool for this called Balance Color. With your clip selected, open the Enhancements menu below the viewer. It looks like a magic wand. In the menu that pops up, simply click Balance Color. Final Cut Pro analyzes the image and automatically adjusts the colors to make the whites appear neutral. This often fixes most common color problems in one click. To see the before and after, you can go to the Video Inspector command +4. You'll see the balance color effect has been added. You can uncheck the box to disable it and see your original image, then check it again to see the correction. You can also choose white balance and notice. To set the white balance, click or drag over an area that should be pure white. The balance color tool is a powerful first step, but what if you want more manual control over the brightness and darkness of your shot? In the next video, we'll explore the color board. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 20.